Today I'm going to install our new ProBEAM Tour-Pak Light kit onto this loose Tour-Pak here with no lights. I'm going to have to drill a couple holes, nothing crazy. Comes with a nice template, makes it very easy to do. I'm going to go over all the steps. I'm going to throw it on this donor Tour-Pak we got here. So you know what's next. Let's get after it. Alright guys, we've got everything out here. The first thing we're going to do is, on a bike, you don't have to stick the Tour-Pak up here. It'll be on the bike real easy. Get your template out, kind of push it up on top here where it goes, and you'll see these little cutout knobs. That goes up against your latch on this side and up against the hinge on the other side. And all they have is these double-sided, or this tape here. So you're going to peel off all the tape, the protective tape, to get to where it'll stick on there. Once you stick it on or get it over there, make sure you line it up real good, push it all the way up to the edge of the Tour-Pak, get it stuck on there, and that'll give you a spot to where we can mark to start drilling some holes. Alright guys, I got it turned up here. I got this first part peeled off. You want to see how I've got it as close as I can to this hinge here, and I just want to stick it on there. And you set it up there a couple times to make sure you get it to the right spot. Then we just go along the edges here, push that up to the top of this lip on the Tour-Pak as much as you can, each way, to get all of these undone here. I'll turn around the camera here in a minute and look at the other side. Get it like so. Bring it around. Keep peeling these off. Maybe. One more here. See it connects up here perfectly on here. And that'll get you the template so we can drill these holes. Alright guys, I got all the holes punched. Now I start with a 1/8 inch bit to drill drill pilot holes and everything. Get everything started. And obviously this will be the scariest part for most, but it's not terrible. That's that. I'm gonna drill all the pilot holes. Now I'm gonna go back. These small ones will be like 3/16. These are 1/2 inch. And I believe you can use a 9/16 here, but I'm gonna use a stepper bit and get most of it out because the square is pretty big to go through there. But I'm gonna drill all those holes and then we'll come back and see what it looks like with all the holes drilled properly. All right, we got the holes drilled, the lights up on there, set it into place, make sure the fit's good, which it fits real good. Now I'm gonna go in and use our hardware, put all the screws in, put the nut and everything on and tighten it all up. And once that's done, that's pretty much it. And we can show it working, and then we're good to go. Now we just want to put in all the screws to button up the light to the Tour-Pak. There'll be 2 here, 2 here, and then the 4 here. And also will come with studs for here to cinch in the top. They will tighten it right up to it. And it'll also come with 2 harnesses. The harness here runs through the inside, and if you have the arms go on later, you have the powering for that. That essentially plugs into here. We'll also drill another hole here, have the wires go down to make it all fully detachable. And then this will be plugged in line with your rear lighting harness on the Tour-Pak and plug into this harness. Real simple installation. I'm gonna wrap this all up and I'll come back so you can visually see what it is, and be right back. All right guys, well that wraps it up for the install of our new ProBEAM Tour-Pak Light kit on this loose Tour-Pak here with no power. But the main thing here, I just wanted to show you how easy it was to use our template and set it up and actually attach it to the Tour-Pak. probably out of some comfort zones on drilling some holes and stuff like that, but the template makes it really easy to line it up. Just, you know, double check, line it up, drill your holes, and kind of a test fit here or there. Not too bad, but again, it's a great upgrade on a Tour-Pak that doesn't have any lights. Obviously, it's just so bright. And you can pick these up at your local drag specialties dealer, and of course, CustomDynamics.com.